Focus on me. What's good? Real autofocus. Need some chapstick. What is good, y'all? It's your girl Cass. I'm excited because today we're gonna edit some photos on our phone. You guys always ask me about editing photos, and I have an editing photo video of how I usually edit photos on my computer using Lightroom, and that method has not updated at all. Maybe specific shoots I'll maybe switch it up a little bit, but no, still use that same video, same process. But I haven't really done one on my phone, so I'm gonna break down how to kind of achieve the edits that I get on my computer on your iPhone. For this tutorial, I'm mainly going to use two apps, Lightroom Mobile as well as VSCO. Those are the apps, my go-to apps I've been using forever. And then sometimes if you guys want to spice it up, I use this app called Prequel to add extra effects in there. So we'll play around with them, but say I'm going to edit two photos. These two photos I did take on my iPhone back in my video about iPhone Photoshoot. DIY iPhone Photoshoot, creating a week of Instagram content, and creating a week of Instagram content, 24 hours, that kind of stuff. But let's get into it. Anyways, so you guys, I'm going to start in Lightroom Mobile. So I'm just opening up that application. Let me go back to the home screen. I may have you log in or create an account, just do your thing. So I'm going to press this little plus photo icon, and we're going to upload some photos from my camera roll. Alright, we're going to do these. Okay, so you're going to do one at a time. So we're gonna start with this little swimsuit photo. Real cute, real cute, real cute girl. Alright, so we have lots of features here. We're ignoring them all. They're really great features, but I'm gonna show you guys how I edit. So first, you guys can do auto, and wow, that really just blessed the image right there. But now we're gonna go into more details. So for light, I like what they did with auto. I'm gonna kind of kill the shadows a little bit more because the filter that I add in VSCO I know is gonna add some shadows back. So I like to kill the shadows and the blacks just to kind of take away a lot of that darkness from the image for now. And something that I do, so I'm gonna go to color, and I like the color temperature and everything, but I am gonna up the saturation just so we have a bit more color. It's supposed to be a summer themed shoot. And then everyone always asks me how I get my photos to look glowy. I don't even do it on purpose. I don't see my photos as glowy, but I think what I'm doing that you guys like is I'm going to texture and clarity, and I'm just turning that down. And sometimes I'll turn dehaze down a little bit, but I don't really like it too much because it kind of sucks away from the photo. But yeah, I don't know, I just started this thing taking my texture and clarity. I like the little smoothness of it, especially in a studio shoot. But y'all, that's pretty much all I do inside of Lightroom on my computer and my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and export that baby to the camera roll and hop inside of VSCO. I've been using VSCO, you guys, since high school, before there was such thing as a VSCO girl. So I'm gonna select that image in VSCO, go into edit, and I'm gonna use HP2. So if you guys know, in Lightroom I use SP5 preset LUT. Well, that's the same thing as HP2 in VSCO. So it's actually inspired by VSCO. Cool. Anyways, let's make some adjustments. I'm gonna go ahead and go in. They did add some new features, nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and up the exposure a tiny bit. You saw how I made it a little bit darker. That's why we had to take away the shadows and everything before that. We cool. Let's lower this contrast a little bit. It's a little contrasty. All right, anyways, go into clarity. Oh no, what was that? Oh no. Okay, saturation tiny bit more. I'm just kind of perfecting it now that the filter is on it. Typically in Lightroom I would apply the filter and then I'd make adjustments. I guess I could have done that here. That one with the next photo. But anyways, add a little bit of warmth to it. It's summertime fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So from there I just press next, save the camera roll, and bam, got a beautiful image for Instagram. Let's bring the baby into layout so we can kind of compare the before and after. So here's our little side by side. I think it looks cute. It was a little summery upgrade, feeling all tropical, even though it's just backyard, but whatever, we got it. All right, so the next photo, you guys, we're gonna try editing in VSCO first. So I'm gonna pop this photo open in VSCO, add my HB2 to that baby, and we're gonna bump up that exposure because I'm not trying that. And then kill the contrast a little bit, up that saturation, and add a little bit of warmth. And I think I'm good inside of VSCO. So let's save that baby to the camera roll and flip flop over into Lightroom. Lightroom, we are back. There's what we want. Okay, so now that I'm in Lightroom, maybe tap auto again. Not too much. Yeah, a little much for me. All right, so we're gonna bring up the exposure a tiny bit. See, Lightroom, I can tell, is way more controlled with this, man. You can't play around with the curve. Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm not a curve girl, but you can do it. You can do it. Just put your mind to it. Let's kill the shadows a little bit. And the black's been on too much because I don't want to take away from that. The VSCO filter, man. Okay, anyways, let's go back into this. A little bit more warmth for me and a little tiny bit more saturation, but not too crazy. Did I contrast? Let's turn down the contrast a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna go into y'all's favorite effect. Turn down that texture, turn down that clarity, and a little bit down that dehaze. Okay, I think I'm stratified. So we're gonna export that to a camera roll, and now I'm gonna hop into Prequel so we can add some effects to this baby. Prequel. Whenever I say Prequel, I feel like I'm saying pretty cool. Pretty cool. So we're in Prequel, so I'm gonna go ahead and plus. Anyways, so we're gonna go into effects in Prequel, you guys. They have tons of stuff. If y'all ever hear me talk about Prequel, you'll always hear me mention there are tons of options and things that you guys can play with until you find the one. And even within each effect, there's effects. The little numbers, you guys, right here. You can find an effect within an effect. Anyway, so I'm just gonna tap some stuff and alright, cool. So you guys, that is how you can edit photos on your phone using only 2 apps, unless you want to add some special effects. And we got Prequel in the mix. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thumbs up this video. I haven't really said that in a long time. I'm trying not to be too much of a YouTuber. I'm trying to be chillax. But anyways, you guys, enough wasting your time. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.